Mas okay na ako lang mag-isa maglakad.
Dahil
pag magkasabay tayo, dami nating kasalanan.
Happy Sunday! So we're here at the corner house. Medyo magulo lang kasi there's an event. Plaka. 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 This is our vinyl setup.
Kaya ko na yan. Bilisan mo kasi. Like,
Ang pasimuno. Ba't mo ba ito naisipan?
ay, wala po tayong isip.
Naka-ano na ako eh, 20. 19, 21, 22. Grabe, ang dami tumatakbo dito, nakakatawa.
Yes.
Regular ka tumatakbo dito, right?
No.
Ito yung ating resident runner from UP.
Hello.
He owns half of UP.
Takbo na food trip later.
Yeah.
Okay, later.
Natutuwa nga ako, ang daming pagkain sa gilid. Pero gusto ko na bumapak ng banana kaya tsaka kamote.
Parang may bayad na ako dito sa vlog mo. Hi guys. So this is a vlog takeover kay Tito Idol. So today we decided to go for a jog.
Sobrang nakakatawa na nakatakbo tayo ulit here sa UP. Pero sobrang nakakatawa lang. I always get energy from trees. I'm also a tree hugger. Nai-weirdohan sa akin si Jin kasi gusto kong magpa-video dyan habang inahug ko yung tree. Ganda, sobra. I don't know if same ba tayo nang nakikita, but sobrang ganda nung punong yun. If you don't do this, if you haven't done this, pag may nakita kayong puno, try nyo lang i-hug yung puno. Or kahit hindi hug, ihawakan mo lang. Tapos, i-feel mo lang yung energy. Either ikaw yung magka-transfer ng energy sa puno. transfer ng energy sa puno, or yung puno yung magta-transfer ng energy sa'yo.
yes. Parang sa Gcash.
Ganon. Hayop naman to eh. Ang ayos-ayos ng vlog ko eh. Alright. Since umuulan na, gusto pa nga namin tumakbo ng mas matagal or mas mahabang distance, but since umuulan na, we're just near Maginhawa. Ito na yung curse ng jogging. Tatakbo ng konti, kakain ng madami. Tara, let's go! Time to eat. Signature drink. Let's try it. Butter cookie mocha. Thank you. Yum.
Ito ang mga ilan. Ate, hindi mo matabay. Bye, 10:30 na.
First meal mo yan, par?
Since yesterday.
Bye-bye!
Weekend. The beautiful eye.
Sa inyo ako sasabay.
Lu! Ano yan, Lu?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Dito na.
Saan ako magpa-park? That's next pa. Dito na naman to. Meron pa doon. Actually, pwede mag-double parking dito. Pero ito yun, di ba? Or next pa? Ayan. Let's go get good music. So guys, if you are into vinyls as well, if you're collecting your favorite records or you're collecting favorite vinyls, you can check here at the Gray Market. Very good spot,
Gahanap ako ng bagong... Oh my God! Yung box lang yun. Naghahanap ako ng plaka. Black siguro isa or dalawa lang. Pero yung bibiling ko dapat yung gustong-gustong album. Gusto ko ng SZA or ng Kendrick Lamar. Sana meron. Pero tingnan natin kung ano yung mabibili ko today. Papakita ko sa inyo later!
Hello. So we're home and another weekend has passed. Katingin si Jean kasi hindi ko alam yung sasabihin ko. Pero masaya kasi nakabalik kami sa Gray Market. Guys, if you want to check Gray Market, they have a very wide selection of artists and vinyl records. And speaking of vinyl records, this is our setup. Usually nagbabago yan every month or sometimes every week depending on our mood. But this month, since kakatapos lang na, or pa-end na yung March, we're entering April, babaguhin natin na sa likod. And ito lang yung nauwi namin from Gray Market. Actually, wala talaga akong planong bumili. Pero si Jean, hindi niya napigilan sa sarili niya. I don't know. Siguro paglalaro ng pickleball, yun, medyo mahirap kong pigilan yung sarili ko. Si Jean naman, mahirap niya pigilan yung sarili niya pagdating sa Before Pop Mart and vinyl records. So, since nasa to buy list niya tong dalawa, binili niya yung dalawang records. So, this is Shasha. Alam ko, inaantay lang kitang mag-react. Zaza's SOS. Zaza. Ziza! Oh.
Si Sasa girl. Sasa.
Guys, don't judge. Hindi ko talaga... Bet ko yung other songs niya, naririnig ko lang. Pero hindi talaga ako into her. But this is Ziza's SOS album. Okay. So yan, hindi ko na i-unbox kasi ba't ko pa i-unbox?
Unbox ko na.
In-unbox niya na kasi. Pero maganda. Maganda naman yung songs niya. And ano siya, walang masyadong maraming inclusions, walang masyadong laman sa loob. So, hayaan na natin yun. Because ako yung mamimili ng, usually nilalagay naman dyan around 9 albums. And i-unbox ko tong Rex Orange County, the Alexander Technique na album. This is the only missing album ni Rex na wala kami. So, we're just glad
Bago lang din.
complete na siya. Yeah, this is his recent or latest album. Meron siyang 16 tracks. And yung iba nito, hindi ko pa masyadong napakinggan. Pero, I don't know if you guys are into his music, pero isa siya sa may magagandang indie music. Alright, let's unbox it. Dito na ako nakatayo para ala. So, in every record, I'm not sure if interested ba kayo dyan, but there are stickers. Ito, that's his sticker. And yan, sticker. So, what we do, after namin i-unbox, ililipat namin yan dito sa album niya. Ang cover ng album niya is it's like a folder pala. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, it's like a folder. And it's a gatefold album. Wow!
Ayan, cute. Puro siya yan.
I'm not sure, di ko masyadong nakikita. Nakatalikod. Una pa silang nakakita. No. Hindi puro siya. So, I don't know. Hindi ko pa sila masyadong kilala kung sino yung mga kasama niya dyan. Pero, para silang nasa isang room lang.
Pero
and then,
dami niyang inclusion.
Yeah, dami inclusion. Ooh. Ang cool. Tapos, there are 2 plaka inside. And then, yung plaque niya, or plaka niya, meron siyang kasamang, yan, yung mga songs niya. It's like a slam book. Ganon yung itsura niya. Cute! Saktong-sakto sa theme natin this week kasi yung mga pinuntahan natin, ganon din yung mga feels. Ayan. Oh, this is his graduation. Ay, hindi. Akala ko graduation, ano. You know, cute. Dalawa. Yeah, meron.
Sa loob pa, meron pa.
Yeah. Can you keep this first? Tapos, meron pa siyang kasama sa loob na isang...
Picture yan. Poster.
No, it's a poster.
Hala!
I think pwede na tayong... Kailangan na talaga natin ng isang music room kasi ang dami na nating posters, ang dami na nating
Ang dami sa album natin.
albums na may mga posters na hindi pa natin nagagawa. So,
Ang ganda.
yeah.
Pag i-frame
Ito.
mo nga lang, paano mo i-frame niya, no?
Kailangan mo
Customize.
siyang, customize.
Ang ganda ng picture.
Tapos sa likod, yung The Alexander Technique. And all the songs, and all the list. I think this is his studio. Malalaman natin yan mamaya kung mabasahin natin. For sure, siya yung ilalagay natin dito. Papalitan natin to actually kasi, no? It's been a month since nag-update kami ng aming
Sabihin mo na ako.
vinyl wall. Oh.
Hindi ka ma-judge.
Yan yung songs ni Jane. Pangit, diba? Joke lang.
Ano ka?
Pero, I don't know. What's the story behind ba? Bakit ganyan nilagay mo
Black
lahat?
and white na cover.
Ah, black and white cover. Pero nilagay niya mga nilagay niya lahat. Mga favorite female artists niya.
Yes.
Feeling ko kasi, it's, Women's International month last
Hindi ko
year.
na-realize
Ay, last
yun.
year.
Last
Last month. Ayun, nalusot kita. You're welcome.
Pero anong pangalan ng isang binili natin?
Si Sisa.
Siya? Tama-tawa ako.
Narinig mo?
Si Sasha.
Sisa.
Sasa girl.
So this is our vinyl setup and it's time to change it na. Paulit-ulit na lang ako pero this month we will have our favorite indie artist. So if you are collecting or if you're into indie pop as well, kung sino yung mga favorites nyo na possible na wala pa kami, let us know in the comment section below para may chance naming mapakinggan and may chance naming i-share or I don't know, ma-add sa collection namin. May chance namin mapakinggan para mas widen pa yung genre or yung mga napapakinggan nating music kasi music really changes the mood. Guys, there are so many albums na gusto kong ilagay pero I think this can only, or this wall can only accommodate 6. Ayoko namang bumagsak siya. So we only, or here are my favorites. So this is the Geography album, Tom Misch. Ito din yung pinakaunang album na nag-introduce sa akin to Tom Misch. My favorite track here is Movies. This is Swallows, the Model latest album. Ayan. Wait! This is Mac DeMarco's 10th year anniversary special. It's still sealed. Hindi pa namin nabuksan, so probably we'll make a video of unboxing these vinyl records. Prep, this is my favorite Prep album. Hon, Love Me Not. Trivia, nung before pa pabalik-balik dito si Hon, hindi kami nakabili ng ticket ng Manila show niya, so we decided to fly, or we flew to Cebu just to watch Hon. And yung recent album signing niya, dapat yung ouch lang yung pipirmahan niya. But makapal yung mukha. We have all the albums signed. That's a flex. And HYBS, this is isa ito sa pinanghinayangan ko kasi we almost had a chance to watch them live.
Yun yung pinakamaraming beses na natin
Feeling ko this is the most played vinyl so far. Yung HYBS Making Steak, and they had a lot of chance to play in Manila or in the Philippines, pero I'm not sure kung natuloy or hindi, pero before kasi hindi namin masyadong pinapansin, and I think they disbanded or na-disband na sila, pero sayang. But all their musics are super nice. So let's do it. Sayang talaga to HYBS.
Sila nagawa.
Alam ko naman. Favorite na.
Best of the best.
See? 9.
Paano na yun?
And it's not only indie pop na gusto namin. We have, just like the Gray Market, I think we also have a wide, for a collector, variety of music. Kasi mahilig din kami sa iba-ibang genre. But this is the genre that I introduced to Jin. Si Jin yung mahilig sa mga pop music like Blackpink, Taylor Swift,
Britney Spears.
Yun yung mga hilig niya. Ako naman, mga indie, punk, R&B, yung mga hindi masyadong nakikilala or hindi masyadong napapakinggan, pero they are actually widely listened to right now, especially sa mga reels. Nakikita ko mga reels piniplay pero hindi the whole song. But anyway, that's it. Mag-play tayo?
Sassy.
Sasa.
I remember being 6 a.m. They know me just as well as someone can. There's nothing in what they're expecting of me.
There you go. Kompleto na sila sa likod. And I think that's it for now. Thank you guys for always staying around. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Happy Sunday! We're here at the corner house. Ay! There's yardstick here.
Ay,
Ayun o, yardstick. Actually, bibili lang kami dapat ng kape, pero nakita namin
saka nagugutom ako.
na
Turn left. Then turn left on the corner house parking.
magandang space or magandang location kung saan pwedeng tumambay on a Sunday na hindi crowded at medyo hippie-hippie yung
Turn left on the corner house parking.
location. So, I'm excited.
Yeah, kaya nga eh, sabi ko sa kanya. Seafood. Oh.
Crab yung in-order ko.
Ito naman, walang ka-art-art eh. Ganyan? Ganyan na lang.